Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's see our how this week went for trading. So I have took the screenshot to just motivate you you can make profits in Forex. If you manage your money properly, there's a huge scope. It's mainly management analysis is not that difficult. Anybody can do with with some knowledge, some basic knowledge, or a bit of training, maybe 6 months to a year or even less. If they properly focus and practice, they can learn the basic analysis skills, and then just applying it is the matter, which not everybody can do it. When coming on the practical work, not everybody can perform. So anyway, I hope this motivates you. Let me share my screen with you and I'll see how this week went for me. Profit and loss is a part of Forex or any other business. So if you always look for profits, that's not possible. Then you are in the wrong industry. And look, this was the trade, and I didn't close this trade until up there. It's Monday. It says here Monday, and this was a more than 7 pips, as you can see. Similar, I just took the screenshot while I was going in the profit. And another trade, this trade went in loss, as you can see. And another trade, this went in the profit and it went further up. The two trades. And this trade went in the profit as well. And as you can see that the market probably went after this, probably went after quite a lot of the upside. It went to the, in fact, went to the, I think, 1960 plus. So that was a trade. So there are a lot of pips here. And this, okay, let's see what happened with this. This is another trade. Something happened there. It's not quite working well. Let me go back to the folder. And this trade I showed you, this trade I was at. And it was a Wednesday. This Wednesday as well. It's Thursday. This trade went in loss. The trade was put here, but the news went in the opposite direction because of the spread, because of news effect. The trade was not actually executed till after a few seconds, and by that time the market reversed. So that happens if you do trade on news. So be careful while trading on the news. So be ready for every situation and manage your risk accordingly. So this trade went in loss, and this trade here Friday today, these two trades went in profit, and this trade on GJ went in the profit as well. So the purpose of showing this is how the trading works, and don't always expect profits. If you're willing to lose money and you have proper risk to reward ratio and risk management strategy, there's no way you can lose money or you can make good money out of Forex. I hope this is helpful, and I'll speak to you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.